The EXAIR Model 9040 foot valve provides hands-free use of your compressed air blowing device. Here's how to hook it up for basic on-off operation. Once you've fastened it in place using the 3 mounting holes, you're ready to plumb compressed air to the 1/4-inch NPT ports. Plumb your inlet line to port number 3. Secure the unused port number 5 to prevent dirt or debris from entering the valve cylinder. You can use a simple plastic FME cover or permanently thread in a pipe plug. Leave port number 1 open. That's the foot valve's exhaust port. On the other side, plumb your outlet line to port number 2. Likewise, an FME cover or pipe plug can be fitted to port number 4. With the other end of the outlet hose connected to your compressed air blowing device, EXAIR Model 8194 Gen 4 Ion Air Jet is shown here. Simply press the pedal to instantly turn on the airflow and release it to turn it off. The porting allows for other configurations of airflow as well. If you have any questions about the Model 9040 foot valve or any EXAIR intelligent compressed air product, you may contact an application engineer at any time. Thanks for watching.